the oil power, and they have great people, smart people, energetic people, amazing. And I know so many Iranians from New York. I have a lot of friends, and they're great people. So it's a shame when you see a thing like this happen. But I think that taking the sanctions off of Syria is going to give Syria a great shot at making it.
Mr. President, I follow up with a congressional question. Are there any executive orders that you'd like to see Congress focus on in section? Do you have anything?
Well, we've done a lot of them in the West, as you know. And I always say the great, big, beautiful bill. But it was the largest bill of its kind ever passed. We were talking about it before. It was beauty. But you know, a lot of the things that we did, executive orders, have been codified in the legislation that we just had passed. And we're going to be sending it a lot more over the next period of about 2 months separately. But a lot of it was part of that beautiful big bill.
Tariffs. What happened to 90 trade deals in 90 days?
Oh, we've spoken to everybody. We know it's all done.
Well,
I told you, we'll make some deals, but for the most part, we're going to send a letter. We're going to say, welcome to the United States if you'd like to participate in the greatest, most successful country ever. I mean, we're doing better than ever. We have, I don't think, and you're going to see these numbers soon. We've never had numbers like this. We've never had investment like this. We have much more than 90, but most of those are going to be sent a letter. This is exactly what I said. Now, we've made a deal with the United Kingdom. We've made a deal with China. We've made a deal. We're close to making a deal with India. Others we met with, and we don't think we're going to be able to make a deal, so we just send them a letter. If you want to play ball, you have to. This is what you have to pay. So as far as I'm concerned, we're done. We're sending out letters to various countries telling them how much tariffs they have to pay. Some will maybe adjust a little bit depending if they have a cause. We're not going to be unfair about it. And actually, it's a small fraction compared to what we should be getting. We could be asking for much more, but for the sake of relationships that we've had with a lot of really good countries, we're doing the way I do it. But we could be getting a lot more. We could ask for a lot more than what we're asking for.
We'll say we're done because we're sending the letters. To follow what Ed asked earlier, you're counting these as deals by saying, here's the tariff rate.
I'm saying here it is. Congratulations. Welcome to the United States. I hope you make a lot of money, and you're going to pay us money. They were ripping us. They were charging us tariffs at levels that nobody's ever seen before. We have some countries that are charging 200% tariffs and making it impossible to do business. And what the tariffs are doing is they're driving people in and companies into the United States. That's why we're building all of the work that you see happening in this country right now, and it's at a record level. All the factories, all of the AI institutions that are being built. It's largely because, well, I think it's because of November 5th, a good election, and I think it's because of the tariffs. Thank you all very much. Thank you. Thank you. I don't know, but it looks good to me.